Welcome back to our channel. Today, we'll be uncovering the secrets of the majestic tomahawk steak, and showing you how to cook it to perfection. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more great cooking tips and tricks. The tomahawk steak, known as the bone-in ribeye, is a stunning cut of beef that's not only delicious, but also quite the showstopper. It's called the tomahawk steak because of its signature long, Frenched rib bone that resembles a tomahawk axe. This cut is essentially a ribeye steak, with an extra long bone still attached, giving it that jaw-dropping presentation. When choosing the perfect tomahawk steak, keep an eye out for these key factors. Marbling. Look for a steak with good marbling, which is the intramuscular fat that gives the meat its delicious flavor and tenderness. Thickness. Aim for a thickness of at least 2 inches, which helps ensure even cooking. Bone length. The bone should be at least 6 inches long for that stunning presentation. Freshness. Make sure the steak is fresh, with a vibrant red color and no signs of browning. Now that you have your tomahawk steak, it's time to cook it to perfection. Follow these steps to ensure a delicious result. 1. Generously season your steak with salt and pepper or your preferred seasoning blend, at least 30 minutes before cooking. 2. Allow the steak to rest at room temperature for about an hour before cooking. This ensures even cooking and better results. 3. Preheat your grill or oven to 225 degrees Fahrenheit, 107 degrees Celsius, for the initial low and slow cooking process. 4. Place the seasoned tomahawk steak on the cooler side of the grill or in the oven, and cook until it reaches an internal temperature of 120 degrees Fahrenheit, 49 degrees Celsius, for medium rare, or 130 degrees Fahrenheit, 54 degrees Celsius, for medium. 5. Remove the steak from the heat and let it rest for 10 to 15 minutes, allowing the juices to redistribute. 6. While the steak is resting, preheat a cast iron skillet or crank up the grill to high heat. Sear the steak for 1 to 2 minutes per side, until it develops a beautiful crust. Finally, slice the steak against the grain, and serve with your favorite sides and sauces. Enjoy your perfectly cooked tomahawk steak, and get ready to impress your friends and family. And there you have it, the secrets to selecting and cooking a mouth-watering tomahawk steak. With these tips, you can create a restaurant-quality steak dinner, in the comfort of your own home. Don't forget to like this video, and subscribe to our channel. Also, leave a comment with your favorite steak recipe or cooking tip.